Hey, so we're going back to basics today with core exercises. I'm going to use a step and some dumbbells just to hit the core on a few different angles. 10 exercises, 6.5 minutes. I would love you to do this. Guess how many times? Maybe 3. If you do it 3 times, leave a comment. And please share the love, share the video wherever you can. I would love you to do that. Make sure you subscribe and give me some feedback. I love to hear from you. And as always, modify the exercise to fit your requirements. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. We'll start off with lateral bend right and left. Remember, we are going back to basics with these workouts. 30 seconds on, 10-second recovery. And anytime you need to modify, you know you can. And of course, why not use a heavier set of dumbbells, okay? You always can. There we go. Come on, move your body. It's accumulative. Move as much as you can during the day. One more. Fantastic. We're going to go down onto our step. Using our step, I'll move my mat. And we will just do hill climbers. So single hill climbers. Bring the knees right up to the chest. Head down. Now really hold the upper body. So stable. Good. Again. You can do it. If you want to work it a little bit faster, you know you can. This is your workout. Make it good. Make it count. There we go. 3. Ooh, one more. Work. Okay, onto your mat. I'm going to do a pullover. Now, optional, you can do a one leg curl, or you could do both legs. But again, if that compromises your lower back in any way, then clearly drop down to having that foot on the floor. So use the weight to come up and crunch the core. There we go. That's it. Just push forward for the 30 seconds. Breathe out as you come up. Breathe in as you come down. There we go. One more. Nice work. Changing the position again, a plank position, but lifting and rotating the hips. So we go, 1 hip twist hold, 2. So again, the upper body stays really stable, and twist the hips, twist the pelvis. So you actually push 1 hip down and then hold it. There. Oh, it's getting hot. Now we're sweating. Beautiful, keep going. Again, 3 seconds. One more. Well done. Ooh, that never gets any easier. It never does. Turn over into a V-sit. But again, this is one of those exercises that if you feel pulls on your lower back, just have a break. Extend, crunch. That's a tough. So we're breathing out as we extend the body. And again, if you're feeling a pull, change the exercise. Make it work for you. Come on, let's do this. 3 seconds. One more. Yeah. Okay, let's lie on our side. Now I'm going to come up, extend your arms, side plank. Drop the hip. 1. Not an easy one. You're going to need some serious stabilization in that shoulder. But again, even if you just do a few, come on, push. Get the hips up. Work that up. I'm working hard. You can't see, but the sweat is running down off my nose. This is tough. One more. Yes. Are you ready for the other side? Are we ever? Good. Always so much harder on this side. Here we go. So again, choosing exercises that you're good at is easy. Making yourself do exercises that you find really tough is how we progress, how we change. Whoa, this is hard. Come on, lift the hips. If I can do it, you can. 2 more. 1 more. Yes. Oh, that was tough. It really was. Okay, using the step again. Legs are wide. Cross the knee over to the hips. Now jump in and out. Again. Cross. Cross. So the legs are wide. In, out. Knee across. Knee across. In. Knee. 4, 5, 6, 7. In. 1. In and out. Last one. Good. In and out. Oh. Woo. We need some rotation. So using the weight, I'm going to go halfway back. So kind of a modified Russian twist. And this workout started out relatively easy. And you thought, I can do that. And now, because we've concentrated on that area, we are feeling it. Oh, we are feeling it, sister. Whoa. Come on, this is your last exercise. Otherwise, you're going to press play and do it all over again. 1 more. Good work. Woo. Okay, lie back. Let's twist. 2. Elbows across. 30 seconds. Come on, you can do this. If I can, you can. Do it with me. Sweat it out. Go. 1. Yes. And we're there. Great workout. Harder than it looked. It really was. Remember, subscribe. Leave me a comment. And I'll see you in tomorrow's workout.